Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another double wig review. These units that I have today are from Sensationnel, and they are brand new from their Curls, Kinks & Co. line. I have Boss Babe and Alpha Woman. So if you guys want to hear all of my thoughts and opinions, and I will let you know whether you should purchase or pass, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. So it says, hello gorgeous, want a blown out look without the risk of heat damage? These protective styles from the Curls, Kinks & Co. are created with you in mind. Designed to mimic natural hair blowouts, they are full-bodied, lightweight, and textured just right. Bye-bye heat damage. Bye. We don't know heat damage in 2020, like who's she? Curls, Kinks & Co. celebrates the versatility and styles that make natural hair so unique. As you know, not all naturals are created equal, so this is an invitation to affirm your personality, embrace your style, and enjoy the journey. Amen. I love that on the back it has a bonus tip, and it says, do not neglect your actual hair. Come on, Sensational. Take time in between wearing your wigs to cleanse, deep condition, and trim your hair. Consult with a professional stylist for a regimen that works best for you. Your hair will thank you. Oh my God. If that isn't the sweetest thing I've ever seen on a stock card, I really feel like I need to start reading these more because I'd be missing out on a lot of information. So, if I'm not mistaken, these units are the first straight wigs from this collection from Sensationnel. So I'm really excited to see how they compare to the whole Nisha line because I did review Nisha 201 and 203. I didn't ever get my hands on 202, but these look kind of similar. If you guys want to hear all my thoughts and opinions, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. I'm going to go ahead and try on Miss Boss Babe first. I got her in the color Flamboyage Blonde. So let's take her right out of the box and see what she looks like. I'm already really liking this color. Oh my goodness. So here's what the card looks like. It looks very natural. It looks really pretty on the model. I really like how it looks. So as far as the cap construction goes, you do get lace from ear to ear. However, it does come as a set right side part. You got two combs in the front, one right next to the parting space and the other one right over here. There's a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps. These baby hairs though, what is that? Y'all. Right off the bat, the wig does feel a little bit snug on my head. However, it is coming down to my ears on both sides, so I am really happy about that. And the parting space looks pretty thin and not very natural. And I am wearing a tan wig cap underneath this, and you can't even really tell. So I think that you would have to go in and pluck a little bit out of that parting space to kind of open it up a little bit. These baby hairs, I can't even with these baby hairs, y'all need to go. But the hairline looks pre-plucked. Did I miss something? Let me see.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel how it feels, babe? Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Love me like yesterday.
Okay, I am back and I am done styling Boss Babe. I decided to do a little top knot. I have never ever done this with a synthetic wig before, so it kind of feels a little weird to me. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are here for this. If you're not, let me know too. It's okay, won't hurt my feelings. I ain't that sensitive. Surprisingly, I am actually really feeling this wig. I think that it looks so cute, and it may just be the color. Whew, I am so happy that they brought the flamboyage color mix to this line. So if you are somebody who has been wanting to kind of like dip your toe into the whole blonde wig game, this color blend is gorgeous. I don't know if they have it when it comes to like Morgan and Janelle, because I know they had the flamboyage color mixes with those wigs. I'm not sure if they have the flamboyage blonde. I may be wrong. Check it out. I don't know. But this is absolutely stunning. Like, I love the 613 highlights. It's not too overwhelming. It's not super bright. It's very like toned down and realistic. Like, what? Y'all, the baby hairs, y'all know, were atrocious, and I was not here for that. I barely do baby hairs as it is, and those were a hot blessed mess. So I was like, y'all gotta go. And I did go in and pluck a little bit out of the parting space, as you guys saw. However, when I put the wig back on, it still looked really tight, and I was like, I just don't want to pluck it. And then I opened up the stock card, and it says that you can style it as a, where is it? It says it can be styled as an updo. So I was like, bet, let's try it. No, it is not a complete updo, but I feel like I did kind of like finesse my way out of having to deal with that really tight, super thin parting space. The blonde pieces here in the front were a little bit longer, so I just went in and trimmed that because I didn't like them like sticking down super low. I also went in with my hot comb and pretty much just ran it through the entire wig. The heat setting that mine is on is 10. I don't know what that translates to as far as degrees, but I didn't want to burn this unit because with my natural textured wigs, I have burnt them in the past going in with too hot of a temperature. Even though it does say that it is heat resistant, I want to say it's up to 400 degrees. I threw it on the ground again and I ain't picking it up. Going in with a hot comb, I felt made this wig look super pretty. I was about to go ahead and grab my thinning razor like I did with Nisha 201, but I didn't have to after I ran my hot comb throughout this unit. It didn't take away from the texture. It didn't make it, you know, super straight, but it did kind of like calm it down, and I could get rid of the bump at the ends. Not, you know, all the way. I still left a little bit of a bump because I think it's really cute, but I really do love the way that this looks. Like, oh my God, why am I still holding this? I don't know what made me go ahead and grab my ORS olive oil spray, but I sprayed the hairline right here along the front just to see if it would lay down a little bit flatter. The lace is a really nice light brown, and it's kind of refreshing to see a lace this brown because lately, like I mentioned in my last wig review, I just feel like every wig that has come out lately has like super bright lace, and it's like, listen, can we take it back to square one because it ain't that deep? So I'm really happy that the lace on this unit is a light brown. It is a true light brown. I didn't have any issues blending it. I used my regular face powder to blend it in, and that was it. I mean, like, so my only concern is wearing this unit down, and this is just a personal preference. It did seem very puffy and full. I shouldn't say puffy. It just seemed very full right here along the parting space, like where it was parted. And I didn't love that because I don't like so much height. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I might have to go in with some thinning razor or some type of tool to kind of like thin that out around the front because I just didn't like how it looked on me, hence why I did this top knot style. So yeah, I really don't have anything bad to say. I'm not getting any shedding. I did tweeze pretty close to the hairline. Like I said, I cut some baby hairs off, and tangling, I'm not getting any tangling on me. This is about 12, maybe 14 inches on me, and I'm 6 feet tall. It is a perfect everyday length. This wig is supposed to mimic a blown out 3B to 4C hair texture, and I think that they did a really, really good job with that. It feels soft. It could be a little bit softer in my opinion, but it is not nearly as dry as Janet Collection's Joe's. So if you have that wig and you don't like how dry and kind of like crunchy and scratchy it feels, this feels a lot better. I want to say that I paid $28 for this unit. I will put the price down below in the description box, as well as a link to this one and Alpha Woman, which I'm about to try on. So if you guys want to purchase them, make sure you check out the box below. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else that I need to mention. If you guys have any questions about Boss Babe, leave them in the comments. And let's go ahead and jump on into Miss Alpha Woman and just live our best life, okay? Let's go. Oh, but I really don't want to take this off.
I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh, baby. Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? The old but kinda new way. Old but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, yeah. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Love it.
I'm back, and this is what Alpha Woman is looking like after I have styled her. I will say that this color is so pretty. If I didn't mention, I have this one in the Flamboyage Chocolate, and I was not expecting the like reddish brown tones in this unit, but I am really happy. Color is something that I appreciate because I do really enjoy dyeing hair, and I love mixing color and just seeing the end result. I love a lot of dimension and variation. So when synthetic wigs have like a really pretty color mix, I tend to like them that much more because they're not just basic. And yes, everyday colors are amazing because we don't always want red, brown, blonde highlights, but I do really appreciate the color mix on this unit. I think that it is really pretty. So aside from that, I can't believe I'm about to say this, but I think I like Boss Babe more than this one. And I know, like, I don't know what's happening either, but wow, here we are. And normally I do gravitate more towards this length because I absolutely love it on me. It's about 16, maybe 18 inches. Here it's, here's where it falls when I stand up. Yeah, it's probably about 16 inches. Ooh, that looks cuter. So yeah, I don't know. I was really excited for this one, and I'm not saying that I don't love it. I just like Boss Babe much more. I did go in with my thinning comb, and I thinned the crap out of this wig. I mean, the amount of hair that I took out could probably make like a pixie cut wig. I'm not even lying. And I still felt like it was just a little bit too full for my taste. And then I went in with my hot comb like I did with Boss Babe, and nothing really seemed to work. I tried to shift it and wear it as a side part, and I still felt like in one area it was just so full, and no matter which part I wore it on, no matter which side I flipped it on, I just wasn't really like loving it. So then I was like, okay, let me go back to a middle part because I am a middle part kind of girl. Like, I love me a good middle part, but I just wasn't feeling it. So I ended up doing this like flip over style, and honestly, I'm not really in love with it. Let me know what you guys think down below. But when I did the flip over, y'all, I saw some like 4-inch hairs stick out. So there's like a track of filler hair, and they're a good like 3 to 4 inches long. So I cut them right out. I'm just not in love with this style. So I feel like this wig would take me a little bit more, time to really get it to where I want it to be. But I don't hate it. I do love the color. The texture is the exact same. It feels really good. I'm not getting any tangling or shedding with this unit. And again, I did razor the crap out of it, and I did tweeze a little bit along the parting space before I went ahead and did this flip over style. But yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of shocked because typically I do like longer units more than I like bobs, because bobs don't always flatter me the way that longer hair does. But today, I mean, we are putting our foot in our mouths. So I did not use any spray or anything to adhere the hairline down. I did go in with my powder like I did on Boss Babe and just kind of like filled in the front to blend it in a little bit more. I did not want to adhere this wig to my head because I know I'm just about to take it off in about 2 seconds. And I was kind of stupid for adhering Boss Babe because I left a lot of residue on my forehead. So I was like, that was not the smartest move. But anyways, I am really curious to see how other people are liking this wig. I haven't watched any videos because I wanted to have my own opinions and I didn't want them to be influenced. I know I know Deanna Monet had released a video on both the units, and I know Kyra Sean did one. I think she only did this one. And Brittany, the Hearts and Cake 90, she did both as well, but I didn't watch any of their videos, so I'm about to do that after I am done recording this video. That is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!